I'm Valeria from Runli Machinery. Today I'm going to show you our packing machine designed for handwear products. Our customer needed to pack in the 6 different types of handwear into these small pumps. Sounds tricky, right? Let's check out how we make it with full automatic. First, we use the 6 vibrating ball counters, each counting a different item and quantity. The pre-count parts then calculate into the ball style elevator, lift them up, and send the complete set into the automatic punch packing machine for final packing. If you also need a solution for handwear packing, feel free to contact me at any time. Bye!